The clock starts ticking immediately after the accident. So let's talk about what needs to be done immediately after the accident to preserve evidence, to make sure the evidence doesn't disappear. Trucking companies have unlimited resources. They have teams of investigators, they have insurance adjusters, they have safety and risk assessment people at the trucking company who will go out to the scene of the accident immediately after it happens. They will take photographs, they will do measurements. You want someone on your side to be able to do the same. So in trucking accidents, it is so much more critically important than in a typical car accident to reach out to an attorney as soon as possible after the accident occurs so that your attorney can go out to the scene of the accident, take photographs, take our experts. And what we do is our attorneys will actually go out to the scene of the accident. We will hire experts that are expert in trucking accident reconstruction. They will do the same. They will take measurements, they will take photographs, they will measure the distance between gouges in the roadway and where the vehicles came to rest. They will go to the tow yard, take photographs. They will talk with police officers. These are things that must be done as soon as the accident happens. In addition to that, if your attorney has the experience of handling these cases, they know that the need to immediately send correspondence and talk with the trucking company representatives to make sure that they fulfill their legal obligation to not spoliate evidence. So we reach out to the trucking companies, we send a special letter to them and talk to them, reminding them of their legal duties not to spoliate any type of evidence, to preserve any type of dash cam videos they may have, to preserve the vehicle before it is fixed or sent away to be disposed of. And if they don't do that in response to our letter and we're subsequently in court, they can be sanctioned and they can lose their right to defend the case. Bottom line, in these big truck accident cases, it's incredibly important to reach out to an attorney who has experience in representing people in big truck accidents as soon as possible after the accident occurs so that we can start working on your case immediately. If you have any other questions regarding what you should do after being struck by a big truck, please reach out to us. I'm always happy to speak with you. The consultation is always free, and I'll look forward to speaking with you in the near future.